Here on the left hand side we have navigation with the help of table of contents. If I click follow up, it will take me to the follow up section, but what I want to show you is on this opportunities tab. If I change the value on company, the contacts update accordingly, and the contacts being shown to me over here are only those that are associated with this company. For company B there are only Daud and John, and for company A only Ahmad is associated with company A, so only he is being shown to me. And if I change the value over here from bidding to proposal sent, the name has the last value as opportunity 2. On this follow up tab, the last value on the name column is follow up 7. If I click update, the rows will move to the follow up tab. Rows moved successfully, and follow up tab has the last value as opportunity 2. So if you like something from this demonstration, feel free to hit me up anytime and I'll be happy to hear what you got for me. Alright, this is the second video of this project, and we are going to have a closer look at the dashboard in this video. And the idea of keeping everything big over here is that I have kept everything at 100% is so it is clearly visible on all kinds of monitors. I keep it at 80% usually, just so I have a clearer view of all the of the entire spreadsheet, and so I could easily apply the formulas and everything. So on this top left hand side we have a table of contents with navigation on it, and if I click over here overview, it's moving me navigating me to this overview tab, and this one will take me to the project section. And feel free to pause the video if you want to have a closer look at any of this. And then we have this opportunities section over here with a pie chart for opportunities versus projects, some of the sources from which we are gathering the leads. And yeah, that's pretty much it from the dashboard. Alright, in this opportunities tab we are going to have a look at 2 or 3 things that are happening over here in this tab. First off, in this company column, if I change the company name with the help of our data validation list, the contacts update accordingly. And for company C I had no contacts associated, so it's showing to me empty. And for company A the contacts update accordingly. But the thing that I'm actually proud of in this sheet is only the contacts associated with this company are being shown to me. For example, for company A only Ahmad is associated with this company, so only he is being shown to me. And for company B there are actually 2 contacts, Daud and John, that are being shown to me. If I change it to company A, only one person will be shown to me. For company C there is no contact available, so no contact is being shown to me. And then if I change the stage over here to proposal sent, it will move to the follow up tab. Like the last value on this name column is opportunity 2. In this follow up tab the last value is follow up 7. If I hit update, the rows moved successfully and opportunity 2 is being shown to me over here. So as soon as you open this follow up tab, you are presented with 2 key information, which are these due follow ups and this next follow up column, which have a light conditional formatting for the follow ups that are due or in the past. And then we move on to the name and company column. It has its own data validation list, and date submitted over here would be captured from this previous opportunities tab. If you have entered a date over here, it will be captured over here, but if you haven't, it will remain empty. The contact is its own dependent validation list. And then is this job scope, which has its own data validation list. And last follow up on is you can enter your value over here manually, and the date will update. This next follow-up date will update accordingly from the value that is in the follow-up column. Like suppose you enter 25 12 24, you can see the value has been updated. You can change this over here and the values will change accordingly for the date values for the next follow-up. And then when I click update, the rows will move into their relevant tabs as explained in this description. Rows moved successfully and they have been moved to their relevant tabs over here, which I will explain in the next video. Okay, so the purpose of this lost tab is to keep track of the bids that weren't awarded to you. It keeps account and has its value, but what it also does for you is to help you recapture the opportunities if it's possible. So all you have to do is change the status from status to recapture and hit update, and it will move to this recapture tab. The values over here in the name column are recapture 1, 2 and 3, and now I will hit update. Rows moved successfully and it's being shown to me over here. The same principles follow over here in this recapture tab. When the opportunity you just recaptured, if there's a chance to bid on it, you will change the status and it will move to the opportunities tab. Right now the value is lost 1 and opportunity table has values 1 and 2, and I will click update. Rows moved successfully, and over here 2 of the rows have been moved, lost 1 and recapture 1. So that was it from this project, and the same values and principles follow in this awarded tab and all the other tabs.